Awesome. So I'm live. Bless up everyone. Sorry about that. I was just checking out some new features in the Google Hangouts. So I am up, can't really sleep outside. It's a bit cold. So just decided to have a late night sesh. Waiting on the guys to come over. So until then, just gonna be here relaxing and just having a good time. Okay. Let's see here. I'll go Ned. Bless up in the building. Ned 669. So let's put my leaf. Yes, and must leave. So just gonna wait on the guys to pop in. Just sent off the link. To the people here, bless up and thanks for making it fun. How is everyone doing today? I don't know how many of us are here. Let me check. Today's the night. One thing I love doing is just appreciating nature as I smoke a spliff. Like, trust me, I rarely get these times and just enjoy sharing it with you guys. Maybe just messing with some stuff in Hangouts. Did it work? Yeah, some. Let's see. Maybe some other time I'll try that. Mhm. Awesome. All right, thank you guys for being in the chat. Thank you guys for tuning in. Luckily, I'm able to do some work with chat and put my keyboard and mouse closer. See if I can play some music. Awesome. Hey, bless up, Sarah Hainsley. Bless up from Jamaica. Well, go on. By the way, guys, I'm just gonna say it while you're here. And if you have any questions at all, free to ask. I don't mind. Anything is acceptable. I said there's no stupid question. Okay. J Rex says I either had a way too high BPM or not enough airflow, but I got a small smell coming from the one. Do you think it's toast? Like what kind of smell are you getting? Like a burning smell or rotting? Describe the smell to me. And what are your temperatures like? If airflow is a problem, you should check your temperatures. You should check like a little bit at the pot level, like where the soil is, in the middle where the canopy is, and then a bit at the top. So you basically have a balanced temperature in your little grow tent if you're using a grow tent or a greenhouse. Always gotta check your temperatures because if airflow is a problem, it affects temperatures and something will get burnt or dies. But what kind of smell, bro? I think chat's moving a bit slow on my side. Just waiting on a bit of a response from Jay. Let's see if I can just type it in chat. Three songs first. No, definitely gonna need to check out airflow. Like a source smell for me means either mold or something is rotten, some form of root rot or some form of there's something there that's not supposed to be there. So for me, I would definitely check out that airflow to see if the place is being oxygenated properly. Because one thing is oxygen helps to ensure that everything is living in the greenhouse. When there's not enough airflow, that produces a great environment for mold and those stuff. So definitely check out airflow. I don't think your ppm is anything to do with it. Uh, by the way, it's raining. Cool. So yeah, definitely check out your airflow. What's your airflow like? And by the way, what are you growing in? By the way, bless up to Big Ed, 1961. Always showing love. Bless up to the brother. Okay, so white widow auto insert really good airflow but super high humidity. She's ah, just me. If you said the airflow is good, then we need to look into that humidity on a different level. Do you have a dehumidifier within that area? Again, Max, what are you growing in? Is it a grow tent, greenhouse, closet? Let me know. Just change it over so it's about with humidity. But I see that the one thing in the bud would be no good. But I don't want it on the others. Are getting worse. Mhm. Ah, technology is working in my favor.
What up, Randy?
Oh, go on, brother.
Everybody's coming in right now. I posted the link.
Yeah.
Okay, I need to pull it up on YouTube too so I can have the chat open. You know what I do? I close with the YouTube window and I just do the pop out chat so I don't have two streams open.
Okay,
Because what's the point of
nice.
that? It's smarter. You save bandwidth that way.
For me, what the Google Hangouts open and then the YouTube stream open.
Oh shit! I didn't know that Ben and Jack A are live with AJ right now.
Joking, right?
Are we live right now, by the way?
No.
Yeah,
Ooh.
I didn't know that they were on live too. I hope they don't take it the wrong way.
I don't like feeling like I'm stepping on toes. It started raining down here.
Oh wow.
Hear it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Hopefully I don't get wet. If I start getting wet, I'm moving this inside. What up, Markel?
Is that Grizzly? No, it's Randy. Were you let me see. Ah, sweet.
Yes, made it.
Got the tag. It's, do you want to? I'll show you something cool.
Hello, hello, hello.
What's up,
The
Mark?
more you know.
You
The more you know.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, glad to have you here. By the way, it's raining now. Like it started raining. I think it's a Passover, but I just started heavy and it's dying down. Hopefully that's the case. Let's swim. Randy cannot swim.
Randy can.
But don't you have dolphins that you swim with?
Not everywhere in Jamaica is a beach. There is actually no beaches located where I live. I have to go to another parish just to enjoy a beach. But that's a good thing. If I go to another parish, I enjoy the beach and the women in that parish. And that's a whole different culture right there. Trust me. I'll put my lighter. No, everyone. What's good? What's good?
Well, I'm gonna come in and have a quick dab, and then I'm gonna go. Cause it's like 4:37 in the morning. It's 4:37 for you too, Randy, isn't it?
337.
Oh, okay. It's pretty late here, but I'm definitely gonna have a big fat dab and then head to bed.
Yes.
I'm going to be up until like 4 my time, so not going to be on for long. Yes, started to do a little streaming, content out, and I said, got to have you guys here. Oh, that girl, Bishop more to grow. Sorry.
So why were we talking about going down there to the beach?
No problem. I actually have a plan to like find a free beach where I can always squat. Like
Alrighty. I
just
don't know
drive
what happened
through,
there.
Whatever. You just want to
drive through to the beach and then just have like a bonfire and tents.
He came and got me.
Then
My bad, Randy. Cuz.
something like
hold
this.
on, Sparks. Ready to make it.
I just came by to show you some love, man. I'm gonna do a dab right quick, then I'm gonna go to bed, man, because I'm supposed to be in bed, man.
Go, man. I'm
Rest up.
already. Cheers, chat. Cheers, Randy. Yeah. Cheers, man.
I can't even see the chat. I just joined the call, came right over. So, cheers, everybody in the chat room.
It's nice hanging out with you all day.
Yeah, always a blast. Always. Woo!
Cheers, Randy. Cheers, chat.
I'm honestly gonna say
Cheers, y'all.
I missed you. Like I really missed you guys. I was with my.
It's so
Trust me, it was a great day spending time with her, but I missed you guys. But no lot. I came in and I saw so many live streams and so many content posting up. It was like I miss bro time.
Anyway, I'm at pizza. I'm going to bed. I'm tired. I haven't slept in like 2 days.
What's up, brother?
Alright, bud. What time is it anyway?
All right, Candace.
1:40.
Oh, it's 1:40, man. I gotta 4 hours of sleep. I gotta get, man. Randy, man, be good, man. I just wanted to come by and hit that. Well, I need to go to your channel now and hit that thumbs up because I can't even see the chat, man. I just came straight over from the other call. And yeah, everybody in chat, love y'all. I see y'all.
Cheers, Sparks. Take care, man.
All right, man. Y'all be good. Grizzly, Mordino, NorCal, Randy. Appreciate you having me on, man. I'll talk to y'all later.
Always.
Yeah, bro.
All right, peace.
By the way, NorCal, Grizzly,
Sure.
I'm gonna blame you guys for something. You guys got me thinking about the octagon greenhouse hard. Like, I'm putting in designs in my head over and over and over again. See which one will work.
You can buy an octagon greenhouse, correct? Already, they have those, don't they?
Don't you think it would be more exciting if I built it? Like, build it to my height and my specifics. In the at the flooring, so that when it drains off, it just drains off properly and runs out.
How do you screen share? How do you screen share?
I don't know how you fuck. I don't know how you do that, bro.
Yeah, man.
Things. Go over to the right.
Oh,
You go over to the right, and then you're gonna see like a monitor, and it has like a green inside. You look at the monitor.
I'm gone. So if you go to Amazon, I'm pretty sure there is. Wait. Look at that.
My bad. I'm trying to fix something with the computer. Well, I see like a majillion things. What's going on?
All right.
All right, I got a boogie loaded. Who's in chat right now? Yo, who all up is in here? Come on, speak up.
More
Put
than
some
that.
smoking on.
I'm trying to send a octagon
What's everyone smoking on?
tent.
Dude, just
Octagon.
post it in the. Do you have the YouTube of this stream open?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's. I
Do you? Okay, so then just post it in the chat, in the YouTube chat. Just post a link in the YouTube chat. There you go.
Yeah, I'm sharing NorCal. So NorCal, you want to do it or you want me to do it?
So there we go. Like something like this. Can you see?
Keep going. Keep
You
going.
can use it like that.
Keep going.
No, that's you want something more controlled.
I want to use the sunlight. Remember, it should be like a greenhouse, so the sunlight's gonna add to the lighting.
Well, yeah, but you can buy that and
Some-
just to use the framing.
That's just an idea, right? But yeah, I think I know what you mean with like stick. You put the frame. You cut the frames and then wrap it around with something, right?
Yeah, you could just buy that, put it up, and then instead of using the white one that it comes with, just put a clear one or greenhouse one or whatever, green
Yeah.
one or.
What I was thinking of doing is get PVC pipes. I wouldn't say 2x4s. I want something wider.
Honestly, your best bet would be using 2x4s and just putting a 2x4 with a solid base.
Now, what I would
Every
do for the 2x4, I would frame the 2x4 into the octagon. Then I would lay the PVC around it into the shape. So basically, like I would see if I can get it into a dome. So
yeah.
once I do that, I would just lay the clear plastic around it. For the floor, I would basically put, like, we have Riverstone gravel here. So I just put Riverstone gravel in the flooring so that when the plants are watered, it just runs all the way out and runs out of the greenhouse itself as well. But the way we're going to kind of do it, it's going to be slant. I'll see if I can do some form of drainage that it runs to a pipe. Can dig down into the ground a bit.
Yeah.
Can you guys see my screen? No?
Let me check what's going on in chat.
Yeah, I'm on your screen. So yeah, chat. What are you guys smoking on?
I can't even do this chat, so that's sorry.
I'll see what I can do.
Want some more? Yeah, you want to go back?
Honestly, yeah, the greenhouse that works great. I have a greenhouse and it works great. I make a sort of a rectangular shaped frame box, and I use a black and white tarp, and one side is the black side, and I put that on the inside, and that's so that when I use the light depth and actually, or not use the light depth, when I actually cover the plant during the day, done, it actually helps.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they do.
You understand?
Whoa. Yeah, back to normal. Trust me, I was thinking into doing that as well because they have the black and white carpet. It's called Panda film. Panda film.
Yes.
Yeah, but
So,
then why would you use that in a greenhouse though?
like when it's time for throwing it off into flower. Remember, going down into the year, what I need is supplemental lighting so that it stays into veg more. Then when I'm ready, I just draw on the fabric, have the black side on the inside, back out the light so I can have that 12-12 foot light period.
Oh shit.
So but you're saying you don't have sunlight all year though. That's what you're saying you have, or do you have sunlight all
We
year?
have sunlight all year, but the light period it shifts like it